How to fix Spotify slow loading on old phones. So for that, what you're going to do is open your Spotify, make sure you're logged into your account. Then from here, tap on the profile icon right here, and in here tap on settings and privacy, then tap on data saving and offline. So after doing that, make sure that data saver is turned on just like this, and also make sure that downloads over cellular is turned off. So after doing that, if you scroll down a bit, if you do not need any of your downloaded music, you can simply remove it, and this will help you run your phone smoother. But if you want to keep it, you can also do that. Then lastly, you can simply tap on the clear cache option just like this. Tap on clear, then tap on clear one more time, and just like that you'll be able to clear all of the cache on your Spotify. So after doing that, the last thing that you want to do is firstly get back, and in here tap on media quality and make sure that you have selected automatic for the Wi-Fi streaming, and if you're using your cellular data, also make sure to select automatic for cellular streaming too. So in here also make sure that it is normal on the download quality, and video streaming quality should also be normal, and cellular streaming quality also should be normal just like this. So after doing that, I'm pretty sure that your phone will start running smoother on Spotify, and that's it.